Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to add multiple photos in Instagram post, whether you want to share a travel album or a bunch of cute selfies or maybe a before and after transformation. Instagram makes it simple to combine several photos in one post. So let's start the video. First, open up your Instagram app. Now tap on the plus icon at the bottom center of your screen. Next, you will be taken to your photo gallery. Here select post from the options. Now to add multiple photos, tap on this little icon that looks like two overlapping squares. So tap on it. Now just tap on the photos you want to include, and Instagram will number them in the order they will appear in your post. Now tap on next. Swipe through the filters at the bottom to find the one that enhances your photos. Tap next in the bottom right corner. Here you can add some details like captions and location. Now tap share at the bottom and your post with multiple images is now live on Instagram. So that's how to post multiple pictures on Instagram. Thanks for watching.